6 Surprising benefits of Holy Basil for diabetes, health, and weight loss. Holy Basil has been used in cooking and natural home remedies for countless years. Holy Basil has many benefits that are known to lower stress, increase immunity, encourage sound sleep, and improve general health and well-being. Anyone looking for a high-quality supplement that has any or all of these benefits should make sure the supplement contains Holy Basil. If you are interested, there is a link in the description to a very high-quality, all-natural, and proven supplement that contains Holy Basil. Let's look at some of the main benefits of Holy Basil. Cholesterol and diabetes. Holy Basil has been demonstrated in trials to rapidly lower cholesterol levels. Since it has a good impact on diabetics, lowering their blood glucose and cholesterol levels, this potent plant has also been used to manage diabetes. Blood sugar plus blood pressure. The results of 24 published human research, as of 2017, indicate that Holy Basil is a safe herbal remedy. Holy Basil may help to normalize blood pressure and glucose, blood sugar, as well as deal with psychological and immunological stress. Boosts cognitive function. The term nootropics refers to dietary supplements that enhance cognitive performance. Holy Basil has been shown to have positive impacts on cognitive processes like motivation, creativity, memory, focus. This makes Holy Basil an extremely potent herbal nootropic. Anti-inflammatory. Similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medicines like ibuprofen, naproxen, aspirin, Holy Basil has anti-inflammatory properties. The clinical results shown in research indicate Holy Basil may play a significant role in treating other inflammatory disorders. Regularly consuming Holy Basil may be an efficient lifestyle change to treat many contemporary chronic diseases. Antidepressant and calming. Holy Basil has been used to treat mild depression, mental fog, foggy thinking, attention deficit and hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, poor concentration, and poor memory. Research has revealed that consuming botanical nootropics has benefited people who suffer from persistent depression and irritability. As a stress-relieving adaptation with the potential to lower overall stress levels, Holy Basil encourages mental clarity and calmness. Support of the immune system. Clinical studies have found that immune system functioning and immune response were improved when consuming Holy Basil. Symptomatic relief for patients who already had viral infections was also noted. Holy Basil has also been demonstrated to improve immunological responses in healthy humans and animals, strengthening defenses against infectious threats. As you can see, Holy Basil is a very powerful herb. Holy Basil may be hard to find in plant form. In the description below is a high-quality supplement that contains Holy Basil as one of its main ingredients. Holy Basil is not the only ingredient. Click the link in the description to learn more. This supplement also contains many other natural ingredients to improve your health, regulate blood sugar, and help you lose weight.